kind of pose I put? What kind of pose?
I was thinking maybe like this. I don't know. No, like this. Like you're you're holding fire.
It's gonna go here.
A Kamehameha.
No, I mean that fire's gonna go like this actually.
Like that?
God.
Like this?
Like you're trying to like,
Stop recording.
Nah, I started. You
Because
came out
the
twice
fire-
already.
I don't- The fire's gonna be right here.
Can I time what?
Tighten. It's not gonna be here. That's why it's gonna be for your fingers. That's why we have to be quick. And not only that,
Louis, how do you time this shit?
it doesn't.
Okay.
You're kind of just gotta leave it in a position where
It's
it's
got a shitload of Germans now.
Oh, man. Okay. Get the light.
Where's the lighter?
Oh my god, if it falls on the floor, it'll burn.
No. What you gotta, don't just, you have to lather your hand in it.
Give me your
And
shirt.
leave it like that.
Give me your shirt. Give me your shirt.
My shirt.
Okay.
I won't throw it at you.
Do whatever pose you're gonna do. Get the pose ready. You have to have a lot of things.
Yeah, you actually have to have a
It
lot.
has to be more.
It has to be moist, like.
That's, no, it's already dry.
I don't want burning.
You already feel it, it's already dry, right?
More.
Okay,
It has
go.
to be like
Stop,
so-
stop,
Have you
stop.
done
Don't.
this? You've done this before?
Do not.
I have.
I have to have the picture ready. Your hand has to be pretty much ready. And you're the
Stay,
one.
stay where you're gonna stay.
Wait.
Have your
I
face
need to get my
ready.
camera
Look
ready.
face.
That's actually.
You
perfect.
videotape this while I help.
Okay. Somebody will be doing it.
I'll squeeze
Paul
it. I'll
Sheepdog
Yes.
gives me the
You, like,
video.
light that shit up.
I'm going to
Yeah, that's
do a
right.
documentary on Jenny's penis.
Somebody will know. Somebody will be.
Jenny
watching
is a
the
very
Germans on your hand.
intriguing
They'll
soul,
be
for
like,
she
just
is
stay in
actually a
position. I will,
man.
like, have
Look
this
at her
shit
pull down
down.
her shirt.
Don't worry about
Nervous
it. You won't
as
die.
she
You'll
is.
just burn his hand off.
Her cock bigger than anything you could ever imagine. Look at her. She knows. I've been detected. She is
Oh, man.
homosexual.
Sexual.
Let's see.
Ready?
He's a cool guy.
Oh my god.
He's gonna die.
Give me right here. Shit, oh, here.
Yeah, no.
Oh God.
You're a puta.
Oh my god. I'm gonna.
He just lit his hand on fire.
Oh my god. You're gonna.
Oh man, it didn't go. The bird. Yes. Hello. You take the picture.
Do you need to come out of here?
No.
Okay, so the shrieky weirdness.
That was her.
We took a picture.
But that's what she always
Why are
does.
you in here? You're
We're
out.
taking a
I'm
picture.
taking a picture.
He's next.
He's next.
And then it's loose.
You said one person. Lewis asked. All you other guys didn't ask. You can't have the whole period because there's somebody else right behind you.
No, it's
Yeah,
gonna be
no,
next
no,
one.
no, take pictures quick.
Stop screaming. God, dude, Jenny. Okay, Jenny, what if you take him out or something?
I got you guys.
It didn't. It was black. It was black.
You burned all my hair off. We need more light.
No.
Why did you take the shirt off of my hand? I was gonna keep it there just in case if I have
Where's the
to.
picture? Is your hand okay? Okay, I think that's enough. I think that's out of the idea.
Where's my? Where's my body?
I think that
I could cover my own mouth.
it's too much.
I can do it.
It didn't just stop. How was that? I was taking the problem is.
Could you go stay? Go stay.
I was like, why isn't it clicking? What? I clicked it a few times.
Hey, don't do that. Yeah, it smells like burnt hair.
Yeah, it smells like horrible. It smells horrible.
The alarm is on. Hide it. Hide the evidence. No, you can't leave.
We're done. We're done. We're done. We're done.
Just pretend you're taking pictures. Be a